What's up guys, it's the Fixbroz, and today, you already know what, we're back at the shop and we got a new battery today. We already welded in a new piece that we cut off last time off camera. So yeah, today literally last thing left is to put on the shell and weld it onto the car. So right now we're gonna quickly install the battery into the Civic. As you remember in the last video, we cut out this shell piece and I just fit it on here. That's what it looks like, but that's not the way it's gonna be fit on here. I just did it in like 1 minute and it's on here. I clamped it down, but we're gonna have to get it more straight on, and then we're gonna start welding once it's on there. Okay, so we got the new battery in. All the terminals are screwed in. The black one and the red one, the negative and the positive. And now let's see if this battery works. Okay, so now I need to grind the edges everywhere we're going to be welding it so that there would be bare metal like this, and where all the spot welds are too. We're done grinding off the edges where we're going to be welding on this one. So now let's do it on the car. We're going to be grinding it off on this edge down here, up here, and on all the spot welds. We scratched the line up to where we're gonna have to grind the edges, and the reason you grind the edges is so that when you weld to the metal, because it's not gonna work if you try welding to the paint. Now we have to take the wheel off to straighten all this out and then grind off all the edges. Okay, so we got the wheel off. Okay, so now Paul is straightening that piece out. We caught this little sheep. He doesn't want to leave us now. Okay, so now I need to put this part on. Right now we're getting all the edges aligned. As you can see right here, we already got this aligned. We clamped it down. Now we're aligning this. We got it all set up. We aligned everything and we clamped it in so that it holds. Now we're going to weld in a few dots just to make it hold. Okay, so right now I'm going to be doing welding right here. So we got it all set up, and now it's ready to get welded in. Probably we're going to do that off camera because we don't want to ruin the lens in our camera. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button over here, and we'll see you guys next time.